Hi there, welcome to QA Box Let's Test. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, kindly do so, and if you like the video, give them the thumbs up.
Alright, so in this video we are going to talk about static methods and properties. So defining a method with the static keyword allows it to be called on the class without creating an object instance. So as an example, math is a class and this method is a static method POW which will return us the cube of 2. Okay, so when you execute that you get 8 back. Okay, so you could see that there is no need to create the math object before accessing the POW method. All right. So can we do something similar for our class as well? Yes. All you need to do is just add static in front of any method you want to make static. So just save that. And before we do so, let us also uh, call this method, and this time we don't require this object, so we just use the class name and call this walk method. Okay, as simple as that. So you could see that walk is being printed. All right, let's talk about static properties. ES6 does not support static properties in the same way as other languages, you know, but it is possible to add properties to the class definition itself. For example, the person class can be adapted to retain a count of how many person objects have been created. And to do so, let me start adding the property in here first. So I'm going to say person dot count plus plus, because every time an object is created we are going to call constructor. So outside the class I'm going to say person dot count is equal to 0, and then every time an object is created we are going to increment that. Okay, simple. Now we need a method, and so this method we are going to return the number of person objects. Okay, so we are going to make it static. Okay, and we are going to say get, and we are going to give it a name, let's say count. It's a function, and then all we need to do is console.log person dot count. Okay, so this property is now available, and all you need to now do is come here, create an object, come here and do this person dot count. Okay, let's create one more object, give it the name pr2, and we say Tanu this time, and we say 5. Okay, and if I save this, so you could see that one object is created, two object is created. So that's how we can create static methods and property in JavaScript. Thank you so much.